M.A.M. Shakespeare channel. Yesterday we talked about active voice, passive voice, present tense. Okay. Today I would like to talk about active voice, passive voice, past tense. I have already told you there are 8 tense forms for which we can change the active voice into passive voice. Yesterday we were seeing present tense. Today we are passing on to past tense. So here I am giving example and I will explain sentence by sentence so you can understand the rules. We played cricket. Tense is past tense. That's why I used we played cricket. Subject we. These are all you are all familiar with subject, verb, object. So anyhow, I want to repeat it. Subject, verb, object, active voice. So when we change into passive voice, I already explained in detail. Object will become subject and subject will become object. Likewise, cricket has become subject here. Cricket. Since it is played is a past tense, we have to use the appropriate auxiliary form of singular auxiliary form was. Okay? Since cricket is a singular subject, we have to use the appropriate auxiliary form was. Cricket was played by us. I already told you the third form of play, played. Cricket was played by us. This also I already told you. We will become us in passive voice. That table I have given. You please go through that. We will become us. So, cricket will be played by us. Is it clear? So, next sentence. They posted the letters. This is also past tense. They posted the letters, subject, verb, object. You have to note one point. Object is in plural form. Here the object was in singular. Here the object is in plural form. Letters, the letters. Normally the letters will become subject here. The letters were posted by them. Since cricket was a singular subject, we use was. Here, since the letters plural, we use the letters were posted by them. This auxiliary form. For plural, we have to use were in past tense. The letters were posted by them. So, likewise, we have this we has become as, they have. Here, they, the word they is converted into them in passive voice. Okay? Then passing on to next one. He did the work. He did the work. Did is the past verb. He did the work. Again the work object will become subject. The work. Since did is the past form of verb, the work is in singular. We are using was like cricket. The work was did, done. So that's why the work was done by him. He will become him. He will become him. So the work was done by him. Is it clear? Then fourth one, I watered the plants. I watered the plants. Subject, verb, object. The plants plural. I watered the plants. So the plants plural object will become plural subject here. The plants. Since the plants is a plural, is in plural form, we are adding the auxiliary form verb. The plants were watered by me. Watered is actually watered. Watered by me. So I has become me. That also I have given the table yesterday. We can go through it. The last one. She did not plug the flower. Sometimes not will also be used in active passive voice. But also simply we have to add not in the correct place. You need not worry much about it. She did not plug the flowers. The flowers is the plural objects. That plural object will become plural subject here. The flowers, since did is a past tense, we are using flowers is plural, did is past tense, so past plural were. The flowers were not plucked by her. Simply you have to use the not before the verb. Before the B3 verb, we have to add not. If not is used in the active voice, the passive voice we have to add not just before the past participle form of the verb. The flowers were not plucked by her. Again I repeat, today we are saying past tense. We played cricket. Cricket was played by us. They posted the letters. Since the letters is in plural, the letters were posted by them. He did the work. The work was done by him. I watered the plants. The plants were watered by me. She did not pluck the flowers. The flowers were not plucked by him. Is it okay? So, I will meet you in the next video. Thank you. Channel subscribe பண்ணுங்க. இமயம் ஷேக்ஸ்பியர் பெல் பட்டன் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. லைக் கொடுங்க, கமெண்ட் கொடுங்க. Thank you.